Hi, and welcome to 5 Wise Minutes. Today we have Jaanus Tamm, who is our venture partner at CyberNorth. CyberNorth is Startup Wise Guy's first cybersecurity, defense, and AI focused accelerator. And today we're going to pick your brain on everything to do with cybersecurity, the past, present, and future. So thanks for being here.
Hi Farid, thanks for being here.
So I want to start off with, how did you get into cybersecurity?
I ended up in this field already 10 years ago. And we started like that customers, they wanted to have some secure solutions. And because there was no other in the market, so we have to build it. So, and then we started to build the security solutions for the governments and for critical infrastructure. So it's always, when you don't have it in the market, build it yourself.
Great. So that's 10 years ago. So what do you see has been the change in the space? Because we've seen, IT generally exploding. What in your opinion has been the change in this particular space?
The biggest change what has been is that the perimeter for the companies or organizations, it's not anymore perimeter. You have so many angles and positions where you can penetrate the networks so that it's basically open constantly. And nowadays you can always consider that you're already breached. Somebody's already in your network, so it's a question how you can get out others, not so much not letting in, and how to secure everything which is inside.
Okay, and I think that's an interesting place to be. So that obviously has new needs and new demands on the industry. And are we seeing that happening right now, at least in this space?
What we're seeing is that it's coming step by step. One thing is that companies already trying to cope that end users and their employees don't use anymore only computers to access data. They use mobile phones, they use iPads, they use even some devices like IoT devices. So it means that they trying to cope how to secure all these networks. And also they try to understand and cope the amount of the data which have been generated, all of these devices and softwares.
Okay, another interesting point that we've seen in the recent couple of years has been propaganda-based attacks. So you look at governments, elections. Do you see this as an opportunity in cybersecurity? When does it go from propaganda to cybersecurity? Because essentially now you can influence pretty much anything by putting news or comments or information that is not essentially verified. Is that a space that's upcoming and being addressed?
Propaganda has been in the world already for centuries, so it's not so new thing. The only thing which is new is that you can distribute it very fast.
Yeah.
And especially governments, they need to take care that the people are not brainwashed. So if you can distribute very fast, very big amount of data, so it's good for marketers to sell your product and to say that you are the best. But when you wanna, for example, distribute the fake news, then it can be done also very, very fast. And based on that, you can change people's mind very fast, and it's very difficult to make it back.
Okay, great. Well, the other thing I also wanted to ask is that we have seen a lot of unicorns, a lot of new technology-based applications coming out, and everything from ride-hailing to food delivery. We haven't, except for the 2 or 3 really big companies that came out from this antivirus surge, we're missing these unicorns in cybersecurity. Do you think that the time is right now that this could be it, or is there a reason for that?
I think it's coming because, as I mentioned, that the market is transforming from the virus and perimeter protection to the softwares and solutions which involve the whole enterprise or the whole system and ecosystem. And based on that, the cyber is going to everywhere. And as we all know, that to be a unicorn, you have to have an impact for 1 billion people at least, and very fast. So it means that when the cyber is reaching to everywhere, then it will soon start impacting billions, and then also the unicorns will come soon.
Great. And talking about unicorns, so let's say you were a startup or a small company that's been running for a couple of years. If you had some advice to give them, what would it be?
I think that the main thing is that the market is ready. So imagine that that cyber is like your immune system. So you don't deal anymore for protection. You're also dealing with prevention, and companies will start spending more and more for the cyber and for all related that. And there are also new technologies like artificial intelligence. If you combine it with cyber, you will create totally new possibilities. How to prevent, how to measure, how to detect, how to protect, or how to build and integrate the different systems. So I think it's what I would recommend is to take different technologies, try to merge it, and try to find new angles how actually the cyber can be useful for the end users. Then go to talk with the potential end users, make very fast MVP. Talk with a couple of customers, try to understand what they value, and then go and ask advice or mentoring from the smarter people so you can grow faster.
So thanks a lot for that, Jaanus.
You're welcome.
So guys, if you have all of that and a startup, come join CyberNorth. We start in March and we'll see you in Tallinn. Take care.
Bravo! Woo!
No, I don't think I liked it.
That was good.
So guys, if you have all, take 40,000, take 4,088 So thanks a lot for that, Jaanus.
You're welcome.
So guys, if you have all of that and a son of a, thanks a lot for that, Jaanus.
You're welcome.
What the hell?